Hi, in this video I want to review this package from the AliExpress. This is the core of EE42. I bought this about $20 from AliExpress and they shipped me about a month and now I have it. I want to show you the permeability of this core and other information about this. It's about 5 cores inside, 5 transformer, 4 here, packed really good, and one more. So we have total of 5 cores. There is not much information about this course on the internet, and I really didn't find any good video that show how to use this course and how to calculate this and many other things. So in this video I'm gonna show you where to buy this from, how to calculate, and how to build switch mode power supply with inverters or back boost converters or anything else include to high frequency items by using these transformers. They're really good, they're really cheap, they're really powerful. Each one is capable of about 1000 watt or 1 kilowatt if you build an inverter of this, and or if you build a power supply, it may be powerful enough about 5, 6 or 700 watt. We're gonna test those things in next videos and see the result. Here I have took one of these and calculate this for one of my project for inverter. The inverter is for 48 volt and the output is 220 volt and 300 volt. So I use 8 turn on the primary side and 16 and 77 turn in the secondary side. So let's test the how much millihenry or henry as this is. So let me put it on this tester and let's see the result. The higher the henry show us, the better the core quality is. Let's first of all test it is output. I mean the secondary side 16 turns. This two is 16 turns. So let's connect them. And let's test it. I don't know if you guys can see or not. This is about 16.8 millihenry, which is really good for 16 turn on this core, which is really high and too good. It means this core is good enough for most of projects. So let's test the 77 turns. We must get higher millihenry because it's 70 more turn. Let's start the test. Oh yeah, 31.8 millihenry. It shows us the core quality is really good and we can use it for any type of projects, and this core is really efficient, and I think this is a very nice core to use. For calculation we have 2 methods to calculate the turns. The first way is to calculate it by formula, which I will show you guys on the next video how to calculate this course. And the second way is by using an application which you can download and install on your iPad of phone and this car transformer, and you guys can calculate such course very easy. This course is EE42. There we have it. Let me zoom it. Here we have it. EE42 21 15. This is the score, and we can put all of our information and calculate the terms for SMPs, for inverters, or for anything we want. We have the push-pull topology, the half bridge and full bridge, so it just makes the life much easier to calculate this transformer. So this video was about this go. In the next videos I gonna show you the calculation by using formula and how to use it in most of projects. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video, and if you have any suggestion you can let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.